another great day. So, what do you want to do, Mr. Monkey? Mr. Monkey. Why aren't you talking? Mr. Monkey. Talk to me, Mr. Monkey. Talk. Why, Mr. Monkey, don't you talk to me? Why? Talk to me. You used to talk to me. What do you want to do? Did I not love you enough? Why, Mr. Monkey? Why? Why? You telling my mommy on you. Mommy. Mommy's coming. Where's my mommy? I want my mommy. What'd you do?
Hey, son. I know where your mommy is.
Where?
Up your butt, round the corner, in the tube, out your boob.
Hey.
Hey, I know what'll cheer you up.